You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name of a town in North Carolina, United States. So we're going to look at how it is said in American English in the US. Conetoe. Yeah, in British English it would be said as Conetoe. No. How it's said in North Carolina. Ni. The stress on that ni syllable. Conetoe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.